Rain can kill succulents, so I'm saving mine today. Since it's been raining so much, I'm moving my succulents so they don't rot. Rain and the coldness could just kill them. I'm still gonna leave a part of the root in the pot so it could grow, but I'm taking the succulents. As you can see, I left a little stem. I'm putting it here. It already has another one. Look at these babies. It doesn't have that many things, just a few things. But we're gonna add some more baby ones. Little baby. Do you guys like my nails? Like and subscribe if you do. Look, as you can see, it's getting a little rot. But I'm adding this little girl. Hi, Chin Chin. I like to be very gentle with them. Another one. Hi, Goku. I'm gonna take all the dead and bad ones, the bad little leaves, and this is how she looks. Do you guys like it? Hi, Suki. Okay, so this is how it looks. There's a little spot right here, so I'm gonna fill them up. This is my first succulent ever, so I put it everywhere in my house. And thank you for watching.